Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove and block devices connected to your Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. Many people complain that their Wi-Fi is slow, internet speed suddenly drops, unknown mobiles or laptops are connected. If you are facing any of these problems, then this video will help you a lot. I will explain everything step by step so even beginners can understand easily. So let's start. Friends, Wi-Fi security is very important. Sometimes we share Wi-Fi password with someone or password gets leaked or guests connect and never disconnect. Because of this, your internet becomes slow, your data gets used without permission, your network becomes unsafe. That is why we should check connected devices regularly, remove unknown devices, block them permanently. Now I will show you how to do this in Airtel AirFiber. Step 1 is connect to Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. First make sure your mobile or laptop is connected to Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. Do not use mobile data. This is very important, otherwise router page will not open. Open Google Chrome browser, click on address bar, type the IP address 192.168.1.1 and press enter. Now you will see Airtel router login page on your screen. If this page does not open, check the backside of your router. IP address is written there. Use that IP address instead. Now router will ask for username and password. Most of the time, username and password will be admin. If this does not work, check router sticker or use details given by Airtel technician. I have already created a video how to change username and password. After entering details, click on login. After login, click on connection status from left hand side. Then here you will see network map. Click on that. Here you will see all mobiles, laptops, smart TVs and other devices connected to your Wi-Fi. You can also see device name and icons. Now check carefully which device belong to you, which devices you don't recognize. If you see any unknown device, then we need to block it. Every device has a MAC address. MAC address is a unique identity of a device. Here, this V2027 is unknown device. I will remove this device, or you can say I will block this device to connect to my Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. So for that, first I need to find out the MAC address of this device. Click on that. You will see info. Click on that info. Here you will see MAC address of this device. We will use this MAC address to block the device. So copy this MAC address. Then here you will see security. Click on filter. Here you will see MAC filter setup screen. In the rule type selection, there will be disable, blacklist and whitelist. Select blacklist. Blacklist means any device added here will not connect to Wi-Fi again, even if it knows the password. MAC filter rule index new because I am doing this for the first time. Then click on yes in the active and select interface LAN and paste the MAC address of that device. Then click on apply. Here you will see a list of devices in the MAC filter listing. That's it. The unknown device is now blocked permanently. For confirmation, you can again click on connection status and go to the network map. Here you can see V2027 is not showing. It means V2027 device is permanently blocked from our Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi. So this is all about how to remove unknown devices from Airtel AirFiber Wi-Fi, or you can say how to block the unknown devices connected to your Airtel AirFiber. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends and family. If you have any problem, comment below and I will try to help you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.